we're gonna make an interesting shape starting with just this strip of paper. We start by twisting it around and making a knot, and then we pull on these sides and make it as tight as possible. Then we fold these extra bits of paper along this edge and we unfold them, and now we can cut them out. Now what we have here is a shape with 5 sides of equal length. It's also called a pentagon, and the reason all of these sides are equal is that they all are equal to the width of the strip of paper that we started out with. Now we are going to use this shape to construct a 3-dimensional shape. We're going to start by placing this piece of pentagon on a piece of stiff paper and using a marker tracing out its edges. Now once that is done, we're gonna again place this pentagon adjacent to the original one and again trace out. We're gonna do this again for each of the 5 sides of the original pentagon. Now we're gonna take another piece of paper and repeat the same process. Once that's done, we're gonna cut these 2 shapes. So if you're following along, you'll be left with 2 pieces of paper that look like this. They look a little bit like a flower, and each of them consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pentagons, and we can actually use these to construct a 3D object. So the next step now is to fold these 5 pentagons along the black lines. Just like this. So now we've got the folds on these 2. We're gonna place the yellow one on top of the orange one in such a way that the 5 petals are facing downwards, like this. And we're gonna turn the yellow one so that all of these 5 points are in between the 5 orange points. We're gonna make a cool pop-up shape out of these 2. So we start with a rubber band. Holding these 2 in place, we put the rubber band around the orange pointy edges one by one. So now what we have here is that the rubber band is going below all of the pointy edges of the orange paper, and it's going above all of the edges of the yellow one. And we're gonna let it rise slowly, and it rises to become a dodecahedron.